Before buying an elliptical trainer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Putnam Under Desk Elliptical. Let's kick things off with the Putnam Under Desk Elliptical machine. Priced at $89.99, this little guy caught my eye because it's designed for flexibility, allowing you to work out while at your desk. If you want a quiet, low-impact option to keep moving without disrupting your day, this is worth a serious look. It's perfect if you're looking to strengthen your legs or just keep active while you work. The 17.9 by 15.5-inch design allows it to slide under most desks effortlessly, meaning you can exercise without taking up space. With over 5,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that people are loving this. Now, some users mention that the remote control is not included with batteries, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, if you're willing to grab some AA batteries, the convenience it offers, especially if you're recovering from an injury or just want to stay active, outweighs that tiny inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're a busy professional or someone who wants to stay active while working. Skip this one if you're looking for something more high intensity or if you need a full body workout. For under $90, it's a great value. Now, if the remote control issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The MERACH Under Desk Elliptical. Product number 2, MERACH Under Desk Elliptical. The MERACH Under Desk Elliptical is priced at $99.99 and offers smooth, quiet performance, which is something that really stood out to me. If you're seeking a low-impact workout that fits right under your desk, this is definitely worth considering. What's cool about this machine is its powerful 60W motor that offers 12 manual speeds and auto modes. You can switch between different settings with just a touch of your finger, thanks to the LED touch screen. Plus, it operates at less than 15 decibels, meaning you can work out without disturbing anyone around you. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 777 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its effectiveness. However, some users found the assembly a bit tricky, especially if they're not handy. But really, once you get it set up, the benefits of being able to work out quietly from your home office truly shine. This is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and wants a simple way to add movement to their day. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional elliptical that offers a more intense workout. It definitely delivers good value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more versatile machine. Product number 3, Sunny Health and Fitness Elite Recumbent Cross Trainer. Next up is the Sunny Health and Fitness Elite Recumbent Cross Trainer, retailing for $594.97. This machine immediately caught my attention with its innovative design and features that make it ideal for a full-body workout. If you want something that targets both your upper and lower body, this is worth checking out. The standout feature here is the 16 levels of electromagnetic resistance, allowing you to adjust your workout intensity perfectly to your needs. Whether you're looking for a light recovery session or a challenging workout, this machine does it all. Plus, it has a free SunnyFit app that gives you access to over 1,000 trainer-led workouts, which really enhances your experience. With a respectable 4.4-star rating from over 600 reviews, it's popular for a reason. However, it's worth noting that it's a larger piece of equipment, which can be a bit cumbersome for smaller spaces. But if you have room for it, the variety and quality of workouts you can achieve make it an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive workout machine at home that offers both upper and lower body training. Skip this one if you have limited space or are on a tighter budget, but overall, it's a solid investment for your fitness journey. Now, if the size and price of the Sunny Health and Fitness machine are concerning to you, let's look at the Nice Day Elliptical Exercise Machine. Product number 4, Nice Day Elliptical Exercise Machine. The Nice Day Elliptical Exercise Machine comes in at $399.99, and I think it really shines in terms of durability and performance. If you're looking for something that can handle heavier use, this is definitely worth a look. This machine can support up to 400 pounds, making it a great option for a wider range of users. It features a 15.5-inch stride length that is designed to minimize knee pressure, ensuring a comfortable workout experience. Plus, with 16 levels of resistance, you can easily find the right intensity for your fitness goals. Users have given it a 4.4-star rating, which shows that it's well-liked in the community. On the downside, some folks mention that it's heavier and takes more effort to move around. If you're serious about your home workouts, this might just be the right fit. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, reliable machine that can grow with your fitness journey. Skip this one if you're looking for something more portable or if you're just starting out. At this price point, it's a great value for the quality. Alright, now if you're looking for something that's a bit more budget-friendly, let's check out the ANCHER Elliptical Exercise Machine. Product number 5, ANCHER Elliptical Exercise Machine. Finally, let's talk about the ANCHER Elliptical Exercise Machine, which is priced at $269. This machine is all about providing a quiet workout experience, making it ideal for those living in apartments. If you want an affordable option that still offers great functionality, this is worth a serious look. This makes it perfect for late-night workouts without disturbing anyone. It also features a compact design, which means it won't take up much space in your home. Plus, with 8 levels of resistance, you can tailor your workout to your fitness level. It has a 4.5-star rating from 1,000 reviewers, showing that users find it reliable. However, some users pointed out that it lacks advanced features like an integrated workout app or high-tech display. But honestly, if you're just looking for a straightforward way to get moving, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly machine that you can easily store away. Skip this one if you need advanced features or a more intense workout. It provides solid value for the price. In conclusion, we've explored a range of options from putt-putt under-desk machines to full-body trainers, so you can find the right fit based on your personal needs and space. Whether you want something quiet, portable, or robust, there's an elliptical out there that's perfect for you. So to recap, we've got the Putt-in under-desk elliptical, perfect for busy professionals, the MERACH offering smooth, quiet performance, the Sunny Health and Fitness with its full-body focus, the Nice Day for heavy-duty workouts, and the ANCHER for budget-conscious users. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your lifestyle best.